We assume you already installed Ghost locally, otherwise check the description for how to install Ghost for developers use case. Move in the directory where you installed Ghost, and start Ghost by typing ghost start. This will take our blog up and running. Copy the address and paste it in Chrome. This is our dashboard. We want to create a custom theme, so let's explore the theme section. Casper is the default theme. We will start from a duplicate of the Casper theme and customize it. Let's get the Casper theme then. To get it, Google Ghost Casper theme and click on the first result. Download the zip file. Then jump into your Ghost directory. Now move to Content, and then Themes. As we said, Casper is the default theme. Now let's extract the zip we downloaded into the theme folder. Copy the zip content. Create a new folder. And paste the content here. Now, if we go back to the Chrome browser, hit reload, and our theme is here. That's good. We can see that it's based on Casper. Let's activate it. It looks the same. That's because it actually is Casper. Now let's move to our editor and edit it. This is the README file. You can skip it. First of all, let's rename it in the package, JSON. From Casper to our name of choice. If we go back to the Chrome browser, hit reload. It seems there are no changes. That's because we need to restart Ghost for the changes to take effect. So, Ghost restart. And reload. Here we are. Now the fun part. Let's edit it. Go back to the editor. And we'll try to edit the CSS. Don't care about global for now. Let's go for screen.css. Let's add a new body rule just for fun. If you hit reload, nothing happens. You may think it's a CSS problem. Let's add important. Reload. Still no luck. The real problem is that we need to update the theme dist folder. And to do so we need to install with npm. So let's move to the theme folder. And hit npm I. Don't worry about the errors. Usually, npm start is the command we expect to use. But let's check. In fact, it's not here. We should use the dev command instead. So delete start. And hit npm run dev. The CSS watcher started and if we reload the browser, it is red. Want it blue? It works like a charm. Congratulations, we just got how to update our theme. That's all. See you in the next use case.